Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another Zebrus Productions. This is a Redstone how-to video. And before we get started, I just want to say I am very sick right now, so please excuse my voice. I'm going to show you how to make a flush 2x1 trapdoor, like so. I can actually show you a better example than this, if you just give me a quick second. Right, here we go guys, I'm in my design creative world right now, which I design all my buildings in. And here's the build itself. So this whole thing is supposed to be a hidden base. You press it, and then just like so. See, we stood here, we get chased by a player, disappear, and then the player will never know where you went. So it's a fun little concept, and I'll show you how to build it right now. Let's just jump straight back into the redstone testing world. Alright then guys, so to start building this you want to pick a block type. I suggest if you're building it in survival and you're outside, use stone or stone or dirt. But since I'm in creative and I'm using it as a purpose of education, I'm just going to use white concrete. Now I wouldn't use white concrete for a survival base due to it being very vibrant and players will easily be able to see it. This is what you want to do, you want to copy the pattern I've just done. It can be on your left side or your right side. Then after you've done that, what you want to do is place 2 repeaters in the middle, just like so. And then the second repeater you put on 2 ticks. And then place a redstone dust on top of that. And then redstone dust behind the other repeater, and it will look a lot like this. Then after you've done that guys, you want to go 2 out. Like so, you just want to copy the design that's at front of you right now. So you're just basically mirroring the other side. So then that's 2, redstone dust, redstone dust. So it should look something like this. Now guys, do you need this gap here? You might be wondering. You don't, but it's a little bit better. And now if you just heard that little ping noise right there again, I'm very sorry about that. I'm currently midway through a Skype call, so you're probably going to hear it quite a bit. And then you want to place, sorry guys, let me explain that. So now from this redstone dust, you want to place 2 sticky pistons, and then 2 sticky pistons on the other side, and then place 2 sticky pistons facing up on the 2 at the back. So it'll look a lot like this. Nice and simple. And I'll get a block of your choice. Instead of me using grass, let me just go and use stone, because you might be building on a stone mountain. Now just to see if it works, I'm just gonna link it up like so. So it should all go out and then retract. Now here's a fun way of testing if it works. Stand on the 2 blocks, press it, and it should drop you. Just like so. Let's see that again guys. So I'm here, I get dropped. Awesome. So it works. So then what you'll do guys, if you want to make it all flushed, hidden, just like so. Now I must say right now that the button can be anywhere guys, as long as it's attached to this redstone circuit right here. Just for the purpose of this episode, I'm going to attach my button to the bottom of one of these. I'm just going to attach it right here, just for the purpose of the episode. So if I go throw it right down right there. Oh wait guys, I almost forgot something. Yeah, so if you want it to be shut all the time, now this is where it can get a little bit complicated. Whoa, not that. Nearly did that one wrong. This is where it can get complicated because that happens. So what we need to do is we need to think about the plans on how we're going to do this. The best way of doing it guys is just to go 2 out like so. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Now let's just see if this will work. It should work. Yep, it worked, awesome. So if we stand on top of it, hit the button, we fall straight into the secret base. So I'll show you that again, guys. Now remember, this button can be anywhere. It can be behind a tree, up a mountain, anywhere. Just remember, you only have a brief couple of seconds to get inside your base, so make sure it's in arm's reach. So just place the button, redstone dust, redstone torch, and that's the whole contraption really. Now guys, sorry for not going into too much detail, but this is a really easy build and I am unwell. I'm just trying to get content out for you guys, so yeah. I hope you liked this small video, little small construction for you, and this has been Zebras, your friendly wolf, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.